At his
po siya
own
ng
volition
saglit.
because you texted him. God damn it you. When you lie down sa bed, doon nag-umpisa yung sexual harassment. Sino nang hila sa'yo sa bed?
Jojo Nones po, Your Honor.
Jojo Nones. So, nung hinila ka sa bed, ano, napahiga ka ba? Napaupo ka ba? O ano?
Napahiga po ako.
Napahiga.
Yes po.
Alright. And then, that started everything.
Yes po, Your Honor. I don't wanna go into details po, Your Honor.
Yeah, no, I'm just asking. You were sexually harassed. Correct?
Yes po, Your Honor.
You deny?
Yes po, Your Honor, we deny allegations po.
Ano ginawa niyo doon sa bata?
Wala po kaming ginawang masama kay Sandro, Your Honor.
Ano nga ginawa niyo? Doon nandun siya.
Wala po, Your Honor.
Really?
Nagkwentuhan, we
Really?
played music, we socialized, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Anong pinagkwentuhan ninyo? Sige, interesado ako. Ano pinagkwentuhan ninyo?
Marami po, like, ang simula po,
Ha?
ang mga napag-usapan po namin sa simula, yung sa gala, nadapa po si Hipon, tapos, and then yung mga after parties, mga ganun po. Napagkwentuhan po namin yung gala, yung mga events na nangyari during the gala, tapos, and then, yan, we were drinking, socializing, listening
Sandro.
to some music.
Sandro, dali lang. Nakapagkwentuhan daw sila sa iyo.
Nakipagkwentuhan po nung una. Pinakilala po ako kay Richard Dode. Pinakilala po ako na si Sandro to. Magaling na artista to. Kinuha ko na to dati sa Agimat ng Agila. Magaling na bata na kontrabida to. Si Sandro, anak ni Nino. Ito po yung sabi. Yun po yung sabi niya. Yun lang po yung napag-usapan.
Yung kinikwento ni Mr. Nones ngayon, yung ba pinagkwentuhan ninyo?
Hindi po totoo, Your Honor.
Mr. Nones,
These are allegations po, Your Honor, kasi we were just socializing po. In fact po, during the entire time, nakakapag-text freely po si Sandro. He was texting freely, so wala pong anything that connects to his allegations, Your Honor.
can you repeat it again?
We deny po the allegations kasi po
Ibig sabihin, pinatawag mo yung bata para makapagkwentuhan lang.
Hindi ko po siya pinatawag, Your Honor.
Kung nga nag-text eh.
Yeah, umakyat po siya on his own volition at sinabi niya po na dadaan
At
lang
his
po siya
own
ng
volition
saglit.
because you texted him. God damn it you.
Your Honor, with all due respect po, he said po, akyat po siya dadaan po siya saglit.
Because you texted him. You were the first one who texted him. Diba? You did not deny it.
Yes, Your Honor. But
You
there was no direct
you were
invitation from
luring
me.
Sandro to go to your room.
There was no luring involved, Your Honor. There was no direct invitation from me.
Anong klaseng tawag yun? You were inviting him.
It was just a conversation. Every text, Your Honor, is in response to
Ang hirap
another
sa'yo,
text,
ang dami
Your
mo
Honor.
nang dinilit na messages. Hindi lang naman si Sandro ang tinetext mo eh. Ang dami mo pang mga artistang tinetext eh. Baka makachamba ka eh. Oh no, you tell me the truth. We're here to ferret out the truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth. Okay? Because if you will continue to lie here before this committee, I have no other choice. I have no other alternative but to cite you in contempt.
I'm not lying po, Your Honor.
Did you harass him?
No po,
Sexually
Your Honor.
harassed?
No po, Your Honor.
Really? Huh? Really? You don't talk, you give advice.
Your Honor, these are the very same issues being investigated by the DOJ right now. So, if I keep further answering questions regarding the details, this could incriminate us and could affect our case and defense, Your Honor. These
No,
are
I'm just asking you practical questions here. It's just answerable by yes or no. Why did you delete your messages? Kung wala ka talaga tinatago.
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor, na-mention ko na po yun sa previous hearing at sa
Oh.
executive session, Your Honor. This further answering details regarding the case, Your Honor, will violate our right to self-incrimination, Your Honor, and we would like to invoke our right and answer those allegations. We can even provide you with our counter affidavit, Your Honor, once we receive the complaint from the DOJ, but we would like to be given the chance to answer them at a proper forum and know the allegations as well, Your Honor.
Totoo ba, based on my investigation, sinabi sa'yo, Sandro, ni Jojo Nones, what stays here, what happened here stays here. Kung ano
Correct po,
nangyari
Your-
sa kwarto,
Tama po
mananatili
Your
sa kwarto lang.
Yes po.
Sino
Yes po,
nagsabi
Your Honor.
nun?
Si Jojo Nones po, Your Honor.
Okay. Si Jojo Nones ang mas agresibo. Pardon my word. Pardon my term.
Parehas po sila, Your Honor.
Pareha silang ano,
Yes po, Your Honor.
so kasi dito sa investigasyon ko, no, binasa ko rin nung nakaraan, there was really sexual assault. Tinanggal mo yung t-shirt ni Sandro, di ba? Mr. Nones,
No po, Your Honor, hindi po.
tinanggal mo yung t-shirt.
No po, Your Honor, hindi po. Totoo
Ha?
yan. No po, Your Honor, hindi po.
Tinanggal
totoo
ba t-shirt mo, Sandro?
Si Richard po yung nagtanggal. Polo po yung tinanggal, hindi po t-shirt, Your Honor. Pero,
Oh, Richard.
Your Honor,
Your Honor, hindi po totoo yun.
Tanga lang to. Puta, hindi na kayo naawa sa bata. Puta, yun na. Ha? Tapos lahat ng kababuyan ginawa niyo sa bata, puta.
Your Honor, with all due respect, please don't judge us. Hindi pa po kami convicted sa case. The
No,
case
but
has
you're
just
lying.
been filed po. We are not
I'm
lying
not
po,
judging
Your
you,
Honor.
you're lying.
We're also just defending our side, Your Honor. It is our constitutional right to defend our right, Your Honor. So we are not being disrespectful at all. We're not lying. We're just
Okay. What was the action that GMA 7? What was the action of GMA 7 with regard to the complaint of Sandro?
We were sent a notice to explain and a supplemental notice to explain, and then we were put on preventive suspension, Your Honor.
So you're suspended.
Yes, Your
Both
Honor.
of you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ha?
Yes po, Your Honor. Wala po kaming kinikita as of now.
Eh dapat nga hindi lang suspension ng inabot ninyo eh. Dapat expulsion.
Well,
If indeed these allegations are true. Hindi naman sa I'm not preempting everything, no. Pero base sa usap-usapan, base rin sa investigasyon ko, may drugs involved. Okay? Ang tanong, saan mo kinuha ang drugs? Ha? Saan nyo kinuha ang drugs na pinangsinghot nyo ro sa bata? Na wala namang kalam-alam yung bata. First time niya ginawa na dahil because you lured him to take these drugs. Tama. Kabat, ilan taon nito? 23? Ilan taon ka na ba, Sandro?
23 po, Your
Oh.
Honor.
Ngayon lang siya, umaayaw na nga. Pinilit nyo pa. Umaayaw na ngang suminghot, pinipilit mo pa.
Your Honor, may I po? With all due respect po, Your Honor, kung yung mga ano nyo po, galing lang po kay Sandro as allegations, Your Honor, they are just allegations.
Excuse
po,
me.
Your Honor.
Hindi galing kay Sandro, investigation ko.
Okay
Hindi
po,
ko
Your
naman kilala yan eh. Ang tatay kilala ko. At hindi, I never interviewed his father. I got this from a different source. During the first hearing. Oh. Huwag mo turuan dito. O ano, Mr. Nones, you still deny the allegations? Ha?
Yes po, Your Honor, kasi kaming tatlo lang naman po ang nandun sa room, so wala pong ibang source ng information, Your Honor.
Kasi yung ibang investigation ko rito, hindi na for public consumption eh. Kasi hindi na maganda pakinggan eh. I will not go in, masyado kasing malaswa itong ginawa ko investigasyon. Masyado malaswa. And you still deny na wala kayong ginawang masama dito sa bata. Nakipagkwentuhan lang. Yes, ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor. I'd just like to, because the last hearing, yung second hearing po, we were all under oath, and they said that they never offered any donation. They never offered me any donation of to a charitable institution of my choice. But Attorney Annette Gozon has proven that they did through an affidavit.
Where is the affidavit? Do you have a copy? Oh, ito pala, nagsisinungaling na kayo. Yan. May affidavit na si Attorney Annette.
With due respect, Your Honor, may we be allowed to read the affidavit, Your Honor? It's a right of my client to be confronted with all the evidence of the witnesses against them, Your Honor.
Oh, sige. Paige, can we have the affidavit of Attorney Annette?
Your Honor, the affidavit is being reproduced right now, Your Honor.
I'll give them a copy.
Suspend lang muna po natin yung session. Pwede muna po kayong kumain. Andiyan po, suspend lang muna po habang inaantay natin.
Meron na kayong kopyang affidavit?
Yes, Your Honor, we're currently reading it, Your Honor.
Ready to resume, Mr. Chair?
Senator Jinggoy.
Mr. Nones, I assume that you have already read the affidavit that was duly signed by Attorney Annette, the Vice President of GMA7.
Yes, Your Honor, please. My client will answer the question.
No, let your client answer, not you.
We submit to that, Your Honor. But I would just like to...
The legal counsel is here only to give legal advice to your client.
we submit to that, Your Honor. My client will answer it. Assessment on the affidavit, Your Honor.
No, I was asking you a while ago if you offered Mr. Nino Mulak financial contribution to any charitable institution of his own choice, and then you denied it. Now, here comes the affidavit signed by Attorney Annette, who I think this person is very credible. Here comes the affidavit signed by Attorney Annette saying that you indeed offered financial contribution to any charitable institution of his choice. What can you say?
Your Honor, upon review po of the affidavit po of Ms. Annette Gozon, nowhere in the affidavit does she mention po that there was an offer of settlement, Your Honor. And in fact, she mentioned only the donation to the charitable institution after she put, after the paragraph where she put that she said that Mr. Nino Mulak came from a previous scheduled charity event. 4 and 5, Your Honor. So it supports our statement earlier, Your Honor, that that it was part of
Basahin
the
mo ngayon number 5. Number 5.
Do we read it?
That Mr. Jojo Nones, I'll just read it for you. That Mr. Jojo Nones mentioned in that meeting that if Mr. Nino Mulak would want, they can donate to a charitable institution of Mr. Nino Mulak's choice. Number 6.